Hello dear friends, welcome to Certify My YouTube channel. In this video I will show how to schedule AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam through Pearson VUE. For that, first of all, open any browser and type AWS certification. Hit the enter button. Click on this link. Here click on certification. Click on sign in. Here sign into your account. I have already signed into my account. Here click on go to your account. Here left side we can see profile, exam registration, exam history, certifications, benefits, digital badges. To schedule our exam, click on exam registration. Click on schedule an exam. So here we can see AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam. Click on authorize. Now click on schedule. It is loading. So I want to take this exam online, so select online with OnView. So click next. Here select language for the exam, by default English. Click next. Agree all this. Click agree. So here proctor language is English by default. Click next. So here select time zone. So I'm in India, so Asia Kolkata IST is correct. Yes. So I want to book this exam on 20 September, so I'm clicking on that 20 September. Here by clicking explore more times we can see the available slots. So between 12 AM to 5 PM there are 21 slots available. I want afternoon slot, so between 1:15 PM to 5 PM. So I want 3 PM slot, so I'm clicking on that. So here we can see your check-in time will be 2:30. Half an hour before we have to check in. So I'm clicking on book this appointment. So here we can see AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Associate Exam, AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate Exam, Friday, September 2024. Check-in time 2:30, exam starting 3 PM. So total is 150 USD. Here click to proceed to checkout. So here we can see total is 150 USD. If you have any 50% voucher or promo code or 100% voucher promotion code, you can enter and apply. Click on this apply, or else by selecting card type we have to make payment. After making payment we will get the confirmation mail from AWS. So after scheduling your exam, you can see your scheduled exam in this dashboard. Once you click here you can see your exam like this. If you click on that, it will show the details of your exam. Thank you so much for watching this video.